Somewhere right now, a suitcase just vanished. A kid's clothes, a wedding dress, someone's meds gone. In fact, airlines lose one bag every second, and most people never see it again. But here's the truth, the airlines hope you never figure out. You can beat the system. There are tools, tricks, strategies, and in this video, I'll show you 10 proven luggage hacks, real methods that flight crews and travel pros quietly use, so you never have to say, "Where's my bag?" And if you've ever had a suitcase disappear mid-trip, you know exactly how bad it gets. So let's fix that, starting now. Number 1. Become a luggage spy. Imagine this. You're standing at a baggage claim in Barcelona. Bags are coming, people are leaving, but yours still missing. Except you're calm because you glance at your phone and there it is. Still at JFK. Didn't even leave the country. Smart luggage trackers like Apple AirTags or GPS-based devices let you locate your suitcase in seconds without relying on the airline at all. Place it in a zipped pocket inside the suitcase, not loose on top. Bonus, if you use certain credit cards to book your flight, they'll reimburse the cost of the tracker. Real story, a traveler in Miami had his AirTag show his suitcase 400 miles away in Texas. He told the airline exactly which terminal it was in, and it arrived the next morning. You can't beat that kind of intel. Number 2, tap into airline tracking. Airlines already track your bag, but most people never access it. Nearly all major airlines have RFID systems, but unless you download their app and activate bag tracking, you're flying blind. So go to the airline's app, click Track My Bag or Bag Status, turn on push notifications. You'll get real-time alerts when your suitcase is loaded, scanned, or transferred. A couple flying to Japan saw a notification mid-flight that their suitcase didn't make the plane. They filled out a missing baggage report before landing and skipped the lost luggage chaos entirely. That's how pros do it. Number 3, zip-proof your zippers. This one is straight up scary. Your suitcase can be unzipped by a thief using just a pen, even if it's locked. Here's how. They insert a ballpoint pen into the zipper teeth, pop it open, steal what they want, then zip it closed. Your lock, still intact. No one suspects a thing. The solution? Zip ties. Use brightly colored zip ties along with your lock. Now, any tampering is instantly visible. Plus, they'll make your bag easier to spot on the carousel. Keep nail clippers in your carry-on so you can remove them later. Quick story. A woman traveling solo had her camera stolen from her locked soft suitcase. It was opened with a pen and resealed. No damage, no proof, no compensation. Zip ties could have saved her $1,200. Number 4, double identity for your bag. External luggage tags fall off all the time. Conveyor belts, rain, human error, poof, your bag's now unidentifiable. Smart travelers always give their suitcase a secret identity. Create an ID card and place it inside your suitcase, sealed in a plastic sleeve or Ziploc bag. Include your full name, phone with country code, email, destination address. If the external tag disappears, this one gets your suitcase home. Simple? Yes. Essential? Absolutely. Number 5. The claim sticker is gold. Here's something we all do wrong. That tiny baggage claim sticker, we ignore it, toss it, or leave it in the app. Big mistake. That sticker is your only official link to your suitcase in the airline system. Without it, your chances of recovering a lost bag drop dramatically. Do this. Snap a clear photo, email it to yourself, print a backup, and keep it with your passport. That gives agents access to your bag's last known scan, even across countries. It's like a GPS breadcrumb trail for lost luggage. Before we jump into the next tip, quick question. Are you finding this helpful? If so, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We post weekly travel tips, airline secrets, and smart strategies to make your flight smoother and your luggage safer. All right, let's get back to it. Number 6, build a digital dossier. When your bag goes missing, saying it's a black one with wheels won't help. At least half the bags on every flight look just like that. Take 5 minutes before your trip to create a digital dossier. Pictures of all sides of your suitcase, close-up of logo, brand, scuffs or stickers, interior shots of the packed contents, grouped by type. Upload them to Google Drive, Dropbox, or even email it to yourself. Why? It helps airline staff locate your bag, it's proof for insurance, and it gives you peace of mind. Real case. One traveler submitted her dossier within 10 minutes of reporting her bag lost and got it back the next morning. Airline staff said it was the fastest recovery they'd ever done. Number 7. Use TSA-Approved locks. Let's bust a myth. Heavy-duty padlocks don't protect your suitcase unless they're TSA-approved. If TSA can't open your lock during inspection, they are 100% authorized to cut it off. Then your bag travels unlocked the rest of the way. Not ideal. Solution? Use TSA-approved combo locks. They allow agents to open and re-lock your bag without damage using a master key. Avoid keyed locks. Keys can get lost. Use memorable combos, not 1, 2, 3, 4 or 0, 0, 0, 0. Lock smart, not hard. Number 8. Choose the right armor. Soft suitcases might feel lighter, but they're no match for airport chaos. Airport staff throw, stack, crush, and sometimes leave bags out in the rain. Go for hard-shell polycarbonate material, built-in locks, waterproof zippers, and lightweight but tough designs. True story. A traveler's soft duffel was left on the tarmac in heavy rain. His clothes were soaked, his electronics destroyed. Meanwhile, his friend's hardshell bag, dry inside and untouched. Sometimes the right gear is all that separates a great trip from a shopping spree at your destination. Number 9. Overstuffing your suitcase isn't saving you anything. In fact, it's a huge risk. Overfilled bags pop open mid-flight, get flagged by TSA, tear or break zippers, and leave no room for souvenirs. And yes, you'll buy some. The 80% rule. Pack only 80% of your suitcase's capacity. Your items stay secure and your zipper stays calm. No stress on the zippers, no stress on your trip. Bonus tip, if TSA needs to inspect it, they won't ruin your perfect packing job. Number 10. Get insurance that pays. Most people assume the airline will cover a lost bag. Spoiler alert, they won't. Not fully. Domestic airlines usually cap compensation around $3,500, sometimes less. International rules are even worse. What to do? Book flights with premium credit cards that offer $5,000 plus baggage coverage, or buy standalone luggage insurance that covers electronics, business gear, and essentials. And always buy insurance at least 24 hours before your flight, save receipts for high-value items, and photograph what you pack. This is how you actually get paid if things go wrong. Bonus tip, pack smart in your carry-on. If your checked bag vanishes, what's your plan? Always carry these in your personal item. One full outfit, medication, electronics and chargers, your ID and passport, basic toiletries, snacks or special food. Treat your carry-on like your plan B, because if your luggage disappears, that's all you've got until it's found or replaced. So, which of these luggage hacks was new for you? Or better yet, have you ever saved your bag using one of these tricks? Drop your story in the comments below. Someone might learn from your experience. Be sure to like this video if it helped you, and subscribe for weekly airline tips, travel hacks, and updates airlines won't tell you.